Crypto markets have been volatile, but XRP has held up better than most. Despite recent dips, it's still performing well compared to other altcoins. Some believe this resilience is tied to Trump's announcement that XRP would be part of the U.S. Strategic Crypto Reserve and the possibility of pro-crypto regulations in the U.S. In this video, we'll break down the latest developments, analyze XRP's price action, and explore where it's headed next. If you hold XRP, this is a must-watch. Let's dive in. In December, optimism about crypto was high. Trump had been elected, SEC Chair Gary Gensler announced he would step down, and XRP was seeing positive momentum. Many believed that regulatory clarity would drive its price higher. Shortly after, publicly traded company WorkSpot made a surprising announcement. It had added both Bitcoin and XRP to its reserves. The company's CEO, Stephen Rossi, cited the growing adoption of both assets and their potential to store value. This signaled that XRP was gaining credibility among institutional investors. Despite this bullish news, attention quickly shifted to a 60 Minutes interview with Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse. The interview was unexpectedly hostile towards crypto, omitting key topics like the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple. Some speculate that the interview was recorded while the Biden administration was still in office, which may explain the negative tone. But then came even bigger news, the launch of Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin. RLUSD is a fully regulated stablecoin that exists on both the XRP ledger and Ethereum. Recently, a significant increase in RLUSD's supply on Ethereum has caught analysts' attention, suggesting growing demand. Another major development was the potential listing of XRP futures on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, CME. While CME later stated that the listing was part of a test, Solana SOL futures are set to go live soon. Given that CME futures helped pave the way for Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, XRP could be next. January kicked off with a series of positive developments for XRP. Ripple announced a partnership with Chainlink, integrating RLUSD into the DeFi ecosystem. This move is expected to enhance XRP's usability in decentralized finance, increasing demand. Around the same time, JP Morgan released a report predicting that once approved, spot XRP ETFs would see significant institutional inflows. The success of Bitcoin ETFs has shown that institutional demand can drive massive price increases, and analysts believe XRP could benefit similarly. Another boost came from Ono Finance, which announced plans to tokenize real-world assets, RWAs, on the XRP ledger. Tokenization of RWAs is seen as one of the next big trends in crypto, and XRP's involvement could position it as a major player in this space. Ripple also secured a money transmitter license in New York and Texas. These licenses are crucial for RLUSD's adoption, allowing Ripple to expand its stablecoin's use in regulated financial environments. This could increase XRP's utility over time. Finally, speculation grew around XRP's potential inclusion in CME futures. While CME denied immediate plans to list XRP, the fact that Solana futures are launching suggests XRP may not be far behind. Futures markets are often a precursor to ETF approvals, making this an exciting possibility. February brought both challenges and opportunities for XRP. Early in the month, the XRP ledger suffered a 64-minute outage, the second major outage in recent months. Reliability concerns have been raised, particularly as institutions evaluate XRP for large-scale adoption. Despite this setback, news about the potential approval of spot XRP ETFs lifted sentiment. The CBOE BZX exchange filed an application with the SEC to list an XRP ETF, and betting markets indicated an 80% chance of approval. If approved, this could open the floodgates for institutional investments. Adding to the excitement, former President Trump announced the formation of a U.S. Strategic Crypto Reserve, which would include XRP. Many took this as a bullish sign, interpreting it as government validation of XRP's long-term value. However, a closer look at Trump's executive order revealed a key detail. The reserve would be funded by cryptocurrencies seized by law enforcement rather than taxpayer funds. While this means the government isn't actively purchasing XRP, the fact that it considers XRP an asset worth holding is still significant. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent later clarified that these cryptos would be counted as U.S. government assets. This recognition from the federal government could strengthen XRP's credibility among investors. Since December, XRP's price has been relatively stable, fluctuating around the $2 mark. This level is both a psychological support zone and a key moving average on the weekly chart. If macroeconomic conditions improve, analysts believe XRP could retest $3 before rallying higher. However, if conditions worsen, a bearish head and shoulders pattern suggests a potential drop to 80 cents. Two major catalysts could drive XRP's next big move. The first is the approval of spot XRP ETFs, which would attract institutional buyers. The second is the launch of an EVM-compatible sidechain, allowing XRP to integrate more deeply with DeFi. The sidechain, developed using Cosmos technology, would enable new financial applications like borrowing and lending using XRP. This would provide additional demand for the token and expand its use case. Notably, large amounts of RLUSD have recently been minted on Ethereum, suggesting liquidity preparation for the sidechain's launch. Increased liquidity between XRP's ecosystem and Ethereum could lead to greater adoption. Ripple has outlined an ambitious roadmap for 2025 with a focus on institutional DeFi and tokenized assets. Their plan includes blockchain upgrades, RLUSD expansion, and acquiring companies to accelerate growth. Interestingly, Ripple has abandoned plans for an IPO, stating that it doesn't need additional funding. The company has historically had ample cash reserves, partly due to its early allocation of XRP. However, Ripple's recent sales of XRP have raised concerns. Over the past 3 months, XRP's circulating supply has increased by over 1 billion tokens. At an average price of $2.50, this could mean Ripple has offloaded $2.5 billion worth of XRP. While Ripple has the right to act in its own interest, large XRP sales could impact the price negatively. This highlights a key challenge for XRP holders, ensuring that Ripple's goals align with their own. Despite these concerns, XRP remains well-positioned for growth, assuming the ecosystem continues to expand and deliver on its roadmap. While XRP has strong potential, it also faces challenges that could impact its growth. One of the biggest concerns is competition, both from within its own ecosystem and from other blockchains. Ripple's focus on RLUSD has some XRP holders worried that the stablecoin might replace XRP's role in payments, reducing demand for the token. Another issue is network reliability. The XRP ledger has experienced 2 major outages in recent months, raising concerns about its ability to handle large-scale institutional adoption. For XRP to succeed, it needs a secure and stable infrastructure. Scalability is also a question mark. The upcoming EVM-compatible sidechain could expand XRP's DeFi capabilities, but it faces competition from Ethereum, Solana, and other well-established platforms. If XRP's sidechain struggles with adoption or technical issues, it may not deliver the expected boost. Additionally, Ripple's ongoing sales of XRP could put downward pressure on the price. While these sales fund ecosystem growth, some investors worry they may limit XRP's ability to rally in the long run. Ripple has made it clear that it will act in its own best interest, which may not always align with XRP holders. Despite these concerns, XRP still has a strong ecosystem and upcoming catalysts that could drive its price higher. If the EVM sidechain succeeds, institutional adoption grows, and macro conditions improve, XRP could still see significant gains this cycle. XRP's future remains uncertain but full of potential. On one hand, it has strong institutional support, upcoming catalysts like the EVM sidechain and spot ETFs, and increased adoption of RLUSD. On the other hand, challenges such as network reliability, competition, and Ripple's XRP sales could limit its upside. If macroeconomic conditions improve and key catalysts play out, XRP could reach $5, $7 by the end of the year. However, for long-term success, XRP must continue expanding its ecosystem, improving its infrastructure, and securing its place in the rapidly evolving crypto landscape. While XRP itself may see moderate growth, some altcoins in its ecosystem could experience explosive gains. If you're looking for deeper insights into high-potential cryptos, check out our private research group, link in the description. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.